Being a parent of a preschooler is no easy feat, and it's no secret that happy parents make happy kids. In this video, we'll explore some simple yet effective tips and tricks to keep parents of preschoolers happy and fulfilled. Today, we're going to talk about how to keep parents of preschoolers happy. As we all know, parenting can be tough, and with the added responsibility of raising a preschooler, it can be even more challenging. However, there are some simple things you can do to keep yourself happy and fulfilled as a parent. So, let's dive in. Take care of yourself. It's important to prioritize self-care, especially when you're a parent. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat healthy, and exercise regularly. Taking care of your physical health can have a positive impact on your mental health. Find time for yourself. It's essential to take some time for yourself, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Use this time to do something you enjoy, like reading a book, taking a bubble bath, or going for a walk. Finding time for yourself can help you recharge and be a better parent. Connect with other parents. It's important to connect with other parents who are going through the same thing as you. Join a parenting group or attend playdates with other parents and their kids. Connecting with others can help you feel less alone and provide you with a support system. Keep a routine. Routines can be comforting for both you and your child. Establish a routine for your family that includes regular meal times, bedtimes, and playtimes. Having a routine can help reduce stress and make the day-to-day tasks more manageable. Follow us for more ideas and increase growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.